A plaque of recognition is awarded to Municipality of Iligan, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Mayor Teresa Yatchon, Municipal Mayor. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the purchase of 2 units of Artero handheld radios and 1 unit Acer laptop, and provided the logistical expense during the celebration of Women's Month last March 14 to 15, 2024, amounting to 42,000 pesos.
Municipality of Sabat, Lanao del Norte, headed by Honorable Parul U. Asis Alhaj, Municipal Mayor, represented by Honorable Roderick B. Patalino, Vice Mayor. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the donation of 1 unit refrigerator, furniture locker, additional office table and chairs, 2 units electrical wall fan, 1 set desktop computer, and monetary support for maintenance and other operating expenses and other logistic support. The award will be received by the Municipal Park Marshal of Sabat, Lanao del Norte.
Ortega City, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Miguel Mary Acosta, City Mayor. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support as chairperson of City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office in the conflagration of fire incident in Punta Blanca, Barangay Mubon, Pito, Barangay Dalanon, Barangay Lower Lama, P3, Barangay Yuki Post, Baho, and P4, Barangay Upper Lama, which resulted to a minimal damage.
The award will be received by the City Park Marshal of Oro City, Misamis Occidental. Municipality of Calamba, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Luisito P. Villanueva Jr., Municipal Mayor. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the release of the 20% local government unit share for the procurement of office furniture and equipment for a more conducive workplace.
Municipality of Victoriano, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Bertoldo J. Mario Jr., Municipal Mayor. In grateful recognition of their unwavering support through the budgetary assistance amounting to 500,000 pesos for the phase construction of PNP quarters, allocated budget of 150,000 pesos for fire prevention program activities, donated 1,000 square meters lot for future construction of typical fire station, allocated budget for Don Victoriano Fire Marshal representation allowance, and provided 1 set of desktop computer and budget for office supplies of Don Victoriano Fire Station.
Municipality of Clarin, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Emeterio Jojo Roa Jr., Municipal Mayor, to be received by their Municipal Fire Marshal of Clarin, Misamis Occidental, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the temporary release of 1 fire truck to Clarin Fire Station for the PDRR and O through the Office of the Governor, and procured office supplies and furniture and equipment for office use and more conducive workplace.
Municipality of Panon, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Miriam L. Pailaga Alhaj, Municipal Mayor. Represented by Mr. Aldrin Amune, Executive Secretary. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the installation of a temporary Panawan fire station and garage for fire truck, provided office furniture and equipment, and provision of rides to PNP Panawan personnel.
Municipality of Sinacaban, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Delton E. Lord, Municipal Mayor, represented by Honorable Nelson Mercado, Sangguniang Bayan Member. In 4,000 pesos allocated a supplemental budget for fire prevention activities in the amount of 60,000 pesos allocated budget for Sinacaban Fire Marshal representation allowance with the amount of 60,000 pesos, shouldering the ongoing repair expenses of the centrifugal pump damage at Cuarta and provision of rice for the PFP personnel.
Municipality of Plaridel, Misamis Occidental, headed by Honorable Deputy Handelman, Municipal Mayor, represented by Honorable Ronito Loreto, APC Federation President. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the donation of 527 square meters lot for the future construction of fire station located at Barangay Lolo Proper, Plaridel, Misamis Occidental, monthly provision of 50 kilograms of sand, allocated budget for representation allowance of Plaridel Fire Marshal, supply of fuel for fire truck, and provision of travel allowance for training and seminars.
Municipality of Bacolod, Lanao del Norte, Honorable Judith Vidal Vinclavas, Municipal Mayor, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the donation of a 600 square meter lot designated for the construction of a typical fire station in Bacolod, Lanao del Norte, provided 2 locally paid fire aides, allocated budget fuel for fire trucks, representation allowance for municipal fire marshal, covering water and electrical bills, repair and maintenance of Linday fire truck, monthly supply of rice, lobby for the allocation of a 1,000-gallon Hino fire truck for Bacolod Fire Station.
Municipality of Libertad, Misamis Oriental, headed by Honorable Leonardo L. Uy Jr., Municipal Mayor, represented by Honorable Lilian Boy Valiogo, Sangguniang Bayan Member. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support during the groundbreaking ceremony, work on establishing a fire hydrant with reservoir, assistance during the Provincial Paralympics held last year 2023, assisting minor repairs required for fire trucks, and assistance during the turnover and blessing ceremony of Libertad Fire Station.
Municipality of Medina, Misamis Oriental, headed by Honorable Donato N. Chan, Municipal Mayor, represented by his wife, Honorable Lorna Loren Chan, Executive Secretary and Honorary Chairwoman, Tourism, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the donation of a 1,000 square meter lot for the typical fire station of Medina Fire Station, Misamis Oriental.
Municipality of Bocol, Misamis Oriental, headed by Honorable J. Francis D. Bato, Municipal Mayor, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the repair of the dilapidated fire station building, removal of dilapidated roofing frame, constructing of new steel columns, and repainting of PFP buildings with an amount of 412,000 pesos and a lot of 1,502 square meters lot donation intended for a typical fire station located at Barangay Malamang, Bocol, Misamis Oriental.
El Salvador City, Misamis Oriental, headed by Honorable Edgar S. Lignes, City Mayor, represented by Honorable Eduardo A. Ayunting, City Councilor, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the aid to El Salvador City Fire Station for the year 2024 annual budget in the total amount of $1,352,000. Approval of the utility vehicle purchase for the 20% LGU share and donating printer and other office supplies. Municipality of Inigaw, Misamis Oriental, by Honorable Mercy Grace J. Akari, Municipal Mayor, for their unwavering support through the turnover and blessing of the new Isuzu FDR 34 fire truck class December 28, 2023, and through the LGU 20% share, the station procured office equipment, trauma bag with accessories, spine board, chainsaw, form jack for medical and rescue purposes, purchase of tent, office furniture, and speakers to boost the productivity of work in the community and to increase the morale of the Inigaw Fire Station, Misamis Oriental.
Municipality of Cagayan Cavite, headed by Honorable Vicario Antonio U. Palarca, Municipal Mayor, represented by Municipal Fire Marshal of Cagayan Cavite. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through extending financial assistance with an amount of 100,000 pesos for fuel and travel expenses for the turnover of the new fire truck, allocated budget for fuel consumption from January this year to present, allocated 10 gallons of paint for painting of Katarman Fire Station, and allocated 1 sack of rice every month of Katarman Fire Station personnel.
Municipality of Maninong, Cavite, headed by Honorable Ray Lawrence Quintan, Municipal Mayor, to be received by the Municipal Fire Marshal of Maninong, Cavite, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the budgetary assistance amounting to 40,000 pesos to the BFP10's plans and programs for the Fire Prevention Month 2024.
Headed by Honorable Valerio N. Abesha, Municipal Mayor, represented by Municipal Fire Marshal of Quezon Cavite. In sincere appreciation of his unwavering support through the activation of the Quezon Fire Substation, rice allowance to BFP personnel, and approved the procurement of 1 unit computer with Wi-Fi ready printer.
Municipality of Ibona, Bukidnon, headed by Honorable Aurelio B. Lopez, Municipal Mayor, to be received by the Fire Marshal of Ibona, Bukidnon. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the budgetary assistance amounting to 350,000 pesos as support to the BFPA operation and station maintenance, realization of a GAD facility amounting to 100,000 pesos, funding for the conduct of training to women on fire prevention, support during the 9th Inter-Barangay Fire Olympics, and provided funds to assist the major repair of fire trucks in Ibona Fire Station.
Municipality of Bukidnon, headed by Honorable Gary B. Casillo, Municipal Mayor, represented by Ms. Marian T. Casillo, Municipal Accountant. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the donation of 1 unit CRF Honda motorcycle, 1 set computer with printer and computer table, and 1 unit of electrical water dispenser, and facilitated the construction of fire truck garage at Maninong Fire Station.
Honorable Frederick W. Shao, Congressman, Lone District of Iligan City, represented by Lieutenant Colonel Adonis Lazo Montiel, retired, from the Public Order and Safety Command Center. In grateful recognition of his unwavering support through the donation of 596 square meter lot for Buruan Fire Station, sponsored for the total repair of the Isuzu Supertanker Fire Engine 132, extending financial assistance amounting to 350,000 pesos in general overhaul of the Isuzu Supertanker Fire Engine 132, and allocated budget for the repair, repainting, and maintenance of the fire engines of the Duba Fire Substation, San Miguel Fire Substation, and Saray Fire Substation, Iligan City.
Municipality of Ilaw, Bukidnon, headed by Honorable Edwin P. Abucayo, Municipal Mayor, represented by Mr. Alvin S. Obibi, Executive Assistant 5. To be received by the Municipal Fire Marshal. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through extending financial assistance with an amount of 26,000 pesos for travel allowance and 88,000 pesos for travel expenses for the turnover of the new fire truck, allocated funds amounting to 500,000 pesos for gender and development, in which 456,000 pesos was used during the Inter-Barangay Fire Olympics, and 43,000 pesos was used for the training and seminars, and allocated budget amounting to 740,000 pesos for the procurement of goods and supplies, and 60,000 pesos for the travel expenses.
Valencia City, Bukidnon, headed by Honorable Azucena P. Huervas, City Mayor. Represented by the Valencia City Fire Marshal. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through extended financial assistance in the amount of 200,000 pesos to cover the remaining expenses for the lacking fixtures of the building, continue the unfinished plumbing work as well as the electrical wirings of the building, provide the station a water tank that will meet the water supply, cater the monthly bill for electricity and internet, aided the help of heavy equipment in excavating debris and leveling area, granted the 4x4 pickup Toyota Hilux, and assisted in the clearing operation of Valencia City Fire Station, Bukidnon.
Honorable Rogelio E. P. Roque, Provincial Governor, Bukidnon. Represented by the Provincial Fire Marshal of Bukidnon. In grateful recognition of his unwavering support through the donation of one brand new Toyota Hilux van amounting to 1.6 million pesos, allocated 150,000 pesos annual budget for OPFN Bukidnon. To all time slot in RFN 648, allocated 650,000 pesos for Bomberos of Bukid Firefighters Agility Strength and Toughness Challenge, Provincial Fire Olympics 2023, Firefighting Modified Combat Challenge and related rescue equipment worth 4.5 million pesos.
Honorable Jorgin Jesus M. Romualdo, Congressman, Camiguin, to be received by the Acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Camiguin Province. In grateful recognition of his unwavering support through the assistance and financial resource for the repair and maintenance of the OPFM BFP main building in Mambao Fire Station Staff House, and allocated budget stipulated in the POPs Plan BAF Plan Calendar Year 2024 as quarterly support to the preventive maintenance of their fire truck with fuel support amounting to 50,000 pesos for Manino Fire Station.
Barangay Magbuayan, Cagayan de Oro City, to be received by Honorable Philip S. Porras, Barangay Captain, in sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the activation of Mambuaya Fire Substation.
Municipality of Capatagan, Lanao del Norte, headed by Honorable Barry White Baguio, Municipal Mayor, represented by Mr. Lexar O. Basimilio, Municipal Administrator. In sincere appreciation of their unwavering support through the lobbying acquisition assumption of responsibility for the costs associated with acquiring the fire truck from the national office, hire two locally compensated fire assistants, and monthly permission of rights for on-duty personnel in Capatagan Fire Station, Lanao del Norte.
Mr. Ru Francis Q. Piscos, LERRFO San Fernando, Bukidnon, through donating rescue equipment at San Fernando Fire Station.
And last but not least, Mr. Vervin Yu Am, ABI Fire Volunteer of Zamis City, Misamis Occidental, in grateful recognition of his unwavering support through responding in every conflagration within Misamis Occidental areas of responsibility, supporting to the plans and programs of the BFP, especially during Fire Prevention Month, where they actively participate and provide meals every kick-off ceremonies, responsible and shoulder all expenses for the repairs of fire truck, including labor and replacement parts at the Zamis City Fire Station in Zamis Occidental.
As part of our BFP anniversary celebration, BFP Region noteworthy accomplishment and exemplary performances of their duties and responsibilities that have contributed to the efficiency, economy, and continuous improvement of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10.
A plaque of recognition and a citation badge are awarded to the following